everybody, it's me, Evatine here, back with another video. In this video, I just got my package from Banggood.com because I have a squishy. Now, I actually got two squishies, but they came in individual packaging, so I don't know when the next one is going to come, but I have this. I covered up the address and stuff, but let's open it. And I could tell it wasn't all that one thing because it's very small, like putting up in there is very small, and I ordered something really small. So, look at it. It's so cool. So I might as well do the thumbnail. Okay. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna open this up. It's adorable. It's a little cat thing. I don't know what you call them, but to me, I guess I just call them little cat things. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. I'm sorry if you can hear the plastic and it's out. Oh my gosh, this feels interesting. It's stretchy. It just feels so weird. I've never felt something as rubbery and cool as this. So its ears are pink and it has like this little pink nose. It's asleep, of course. And then its tummy is very stretchy. But yeah, I actually was supposed to have a little Kinder Egg, but it's in the car, so I wasn't able to get it, and it's raining outside, so I'm not about to go get that right now. But if you want to examine the packaging, it's a little bit crushed because it's been all over the place, and the bottom is like this little heart polka dot packaging, and yeah, it's actually really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I needed to post something on Monday. I'm sorry my schedule is a little weird, but I've been really trying to get videos out on Mondays. Hopefully I've been doing a good job. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye!